In this tutorial, we will explain about text elements. Text elements enable you to insert text boxes into the web page. Inside them, you can write your desired text, format, the text style, and add links. To add a text bar manually, you have to be in Pro mode. The following are the type of text boxes and headers that you can insert into the page. Each text box differs in form and structure. Clicking the text box that is created after the element is dragged onto the page will display the above toolbar. This toolbar contains various design options, similar to familiar text editing programs, text color, font size, etc. Now you can edit the text or change the style.